everyone, my name is Daniella Obi. I'm talking on troubleshooting and maintenance. Outline, introduction, aim and objective, troubleshooting framework, common troubleshooting step, common issues, general maintenance, conclusion and closing remark. Introduction. Troubleshooting is the process of identifying and resolving problems that arises while using the computer. Troubleshooting and maintenance are the ultimate power-ups for your tech. It helps you conquer glitches, boost performance, and keep your system running smoothly. Aim and objective. Aim: to explain and solve troubleshooting process. Objective: to outline troubleshooting framework. 2. To outline troubleshooting common issues. 3. To outline general maintenance of the computer system. Troubleshooting frameworks. 1. Identifying the problems. 2. Gather information. 3. Isolate the cause. 4. Analyze and test. 5. Implement a fix and document. Identifying problem. Knowing where the problem is from. Gather information. Knowing what is causing the problem. Isolate the cause. Analyze and test, then implement a fix. Then your document is ready. Common troubleshooting steps. Restart the computer or software. Check for updates. Disable recently installed software. Run diagnostic tests. Check for loose connection. Search online for solution. Contact a technician. Here's an image of troubleshooting. Common issues. 1. Network connectivity. 2. Software crashes. 3. Hardware failures. 4. Performance issues. 5. Security issues. 6. Boost loops. 3. Disk errors. 4. Memory leaks. General maintenance of the computer system. Regularly update software and system. 2. Perform routine checks on equipment and hardware. 3. Clean and organize workspace. 4. Monitor performance and address potential issues. Conclusion. Troubleshooting and maintenance are crucial for ensuring optimal performance, preventing downtime, and extending the lifespan of system and equipment by identifying and resolving issues promptly. Individuals and organizations can minimize losses, reduce costs, and improve overall efficiency. Thank you.